name is Rad. I'm one of the chef managers at Independent Catering, and we thought it would be a good idea for us at Independent Catering to share some of our cooking, some of our recipes. And here today I've got Kayra, my 5-year-old daughter, and we're gonna try to do some banana cupcakes for you guys. Something that you can do at home, something fun, presentable, something that the kids will like, something easy and practical.
You can make some blueberries.
Blueberries, you can make any fruit.
Strawberry or any bananas.
Bananas, so today we're gonna make bananas.
Yeah.
So we're gonna show here with Kayra what we have.
Yeah.
So we have here, what is this?
Butter.
Well done. And what is this one?
Flour.
Very good. And this one?
Sugar.
Very good. And we also need some?
Eggs. And
Eggs.
then bananas.
And then we got a little mixer over here.
Yeah.
We've got our cupcake tray ready to go, and we got some bananas. When the bananas are ripe, they will give you a better flavor as well. Don't forget that. So we've got, okay, 1 second, Kayra. We've got 8 ounces of sugar, which you go first. Go on, Kayra. You put in the bowl first.
All of it?
All of it, yeah.
And then
Well done.
butter.
And then we've got 8 ounces of butter as well, which is going to go in there. And then, all of it. And then we're going to plug in our mixer over here. This is just a home mixer that we've got. It's different from the ones we use in the kitchens, which are a lot bigger and practical.
But the one, remember when I was a baby, I was having that one.
Okay, so we're gonna mix all of this together. Yes, Kayra?
Yes.
Well done. So we're gonna hold this very tight and we're gonna turn it on. Too high. We're gonna do it slowly first, because otherwise we're gonna get everywhere. So we're gonna make sure this is well mixed before we put our eggs in it, right, Kayra?
Yes.
Very good. So if you turn the bowl, some of you might have a different mixer at home. Some of you have the bit better version of it. This is just a handheld one. And very loud, yeah. So we're gonna turn the bowl, Kayra. Very good. So we've got our butter and our sugar mixed together.
And then we put eggs.
Now we're gonna add some eggs. So if we crack the eggs in a separate bowl, in case we have any shelves, we can take them out of
I
it.
have to wash my hands.
You washed your hands already? Well done. Go on. Break the eggs in there. Okay, so we're gonna break the eggs and put the shells over here.
Oh, my hands are dirty.
Okay, so you're gonna a little tap on the side and then you break it in half like this.
Okay.
Okay, so you do a little tap on the side. There we go. A bit harder. There we go. And now we put in there slowly, because otherwise you're gonna get some more shells in it. Okay.
My hands are dirty.
Okay, we're gonna wash our hands now.
How?
Here. Come over here. Okay, our hands are washed now.
Now we dry them.
Now we dry them. Very good. Bring the cloth so it's easier.
Can I have some?
You can have some. Here we go. So now we're gonna
We
put.
cracked eggs, now we put in there.
Okay, well done. So you can put the eggs in there.
And I had to wash my arms.
There we go.
Then we mix it up.
We're gonna mix it up all together.
This.
Wait. There we go. Right, not yet. Now I need to mix this really well.
Yeah, really well.
The more you mix, the better it will be, no, Kayra? It's gonna get a lot fluffier. Let me turn it up a bit to make sure this is mixed properly. No, you wanna move the bowl? Turn the bowl. Here we go.
This is the one that you
Take long. way. Now we need to put the bananas in first. The bananas, okay?
Banana.
So I'm gonna get. This is 2 bananas for this recipe.
Yeah, because this is the recipe. We can't put a lot.
Okay, let's get a knife and we can cut the banana a little bit so it make it easier to. It's gonna be easier to mix it. So we're gonna cut in half, and then we're gonna do little bits like this.
And then we put another banana.
And then we're gonna put another banana, yes?
And then we mix it, or do we put sugar on?
And we're gonna mix it. So we put the second
Mommy,
banana.
can you call him?
We're gonna put the second banana in.
Yeah. Can I have a little?
You wanna try a little banana? Have a little bit there. Here we go.
Banana is almost ready.
Is it nice?
Mhm.
And this recipe we can make with any fruit, right, Kayra?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay,
Kayra.
Kayra. So now we're gonna turn it back on.
Then we're gonna mix it.
Mix it properly. Yeah?
I want
You can twist it. There we go. Make sure the banana is properly mixed. Yeah, that's okay. So the banana is mixing there now, right?
We put some flour.
We're gonna put some flour. There we go.
Open up.
Yeah, you can put some flour.
And then
This is a little bit of baking powder. So we are gonna put 1 teaspoon of baking powder so they can come up nice and fluffy, right? Just 1 teaspoon. There we go.
whoop.
Slowly.
So we can.
That's okay. That's in there. Wait 1 second.
And
One thing I like to put on my recipes, on my cakes, is a little dash of milk, which gives a nice moisture to the cake. So
Yeah,
we're gonna
a
get
nice
some milk
taste.
afterwards.
It's a nice taste.
So we're gonna put a little bit of milk in there.
I'll put it. Kayra's gonna put it.
A little bit more. There we go.
And then
And then we need to be careful. Oh, sorry. Sorry. And then we're gonna turn it on slowly because now you got the flour. When you have flour, you might make a bit of a mess. So
Yeah,
we're gonna go slowly. Number 1. Here we go. Slowly. Slowly. We're gonna turn very slowly. I'm sorry. I didn't see it there. Here we go.
And then
Once it's almost mixed, then now we're gonna turn it high. Turn it high at the time. A little bit. Here we go.
when we mix it up, we put it there and then we put it in the oven.
And one important thing you need to do, when you start making your mix, you turn your oven on at 160 degrees. Every oven is different. If you have a household oven, you might do it at 180. It all depends. My oven at home, I like to do 160 because otherwise it might burn and won't be cooked in the middle. So that is properly mixed now. Do you think it's mixed now? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's nice.
Is
So
it
I
nice?
Like it. So I look it.
No. Okay, so leave that one in there.
Broken.
So this is how our mix came along. You might be able to see it over there. One thing you can do if you prefer, if you like, some of your kids might like that. I have some dark chocolate chips over here. You can put them in there. They're not meant to eat now, they're meant to put in the cake, okay?
I want a little bit.
Just one. There we go. Cheeky little lady. So we got some
I put
chocolate
the whole
chips in
thing.
there. And then
I
we're
put
gonna...
the whole thing.
Yeah. And we're gonna give it a quick mix around the bowl.
Yeah. Can I do it first?
Yeah. You can mix that in there, and then we're gonna get a little spoon or a tablespoon, and then we're gonna add our cupcake in there. Mix nice and slowly all around the edges, Kayra.
Yes, boss. You're the boss of it. You're both the boss of it.
Okay, so is that mixed nicely?
Yes.
Okay, well done.
Then we
Pop
take,
that one in there.
we take a scoop and then put it
So I'll show you one Kayra, and then you can do the others, yeah? So we're gonna go 1 spoon. And there might need a little bit more. So around 2 spoons per
Yeah.
cupcake, okay?
Yeah, that or we can get some.
Okay, but we do it nicely so we don't make a mess. Well done. Keep going. Hold the bowl, very good. You might need a bit more in that one then.
Okay. Put it.
There we go. So you put another one in there. So we need to fill all of them up.
You can make it look nice.
Okay. So you put, should I do it?
Nah,
Or you want to do it?
I want to look so good.
Okay, so we got this one in there now. Kayra is gonna finish putting them up. Our oven is on 160 degrees, warming up.
Tell them the story.
Tell them my story. I need to tell them the recipe. So this recipe, we had 2 bananas. We had 8 ounces of
Sugar,
sugar, very good. We had 8 ounces of
butter,
very good. And we had 8 ounces of flour as
Yeah.
well. You can either use plain flour, but make sure you have some baking powder in it, or you can use self-raising flour where you might not need any baking powder in it. And we also had 4 eggs for this recipe. When we just add a little bit of the chocolate chips
Yeah, and then we just
and a little splash of milk.
a little
Yeah.
bit. That's
Okay, so here we're gonna need some more Kayra, because otherwise they're gonna be uneven.
okay. Stop it, Daddy.
It's okay, you don't need to say sorry. We're cooking together, right?
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can help, or if you don't want to help, and your dads and moms can help you. Your moms can just make any cake.
Okay, you wanna do the other ones?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You can make some nice, but
Today we're doing cupcakes. Tomorrow we can be doing something else. A nice salad. What do you think, Kayra?
yesterday I said I want.
You want salad? Yeah, we're gonna have salad today for lunch as well. So that would be nice.
Have to get,
Okay, we're gonna put it in there.
you
You need to finish them up. Look, you
Yeah,
need to
I
put them in there. Wait 1 second.
put a little bit in.
Yeah, you need to fill them up a bit more, because otherwise.
Yeah,
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Here we go.
that is wrong.
It's okay. Put on that one as well. There you
You
go.
must
Another
make-
spoon.
You must make sure you wear aprons to get not dirty.
Yeah.
Otherwise, your moms and dads will be angry.
They won't be angry. It's just gonna look a bit messy now. That's why we're both wearing aprons today, as you can see. A bit more on this one. Here we go. That's it. Okay, enough. Oh, too much. Okay, too much.
Oops.
Take a bit more. Here we go. So,
Oh, that one needs a little bit.
no, that's okay. So, here's our cupcakes. We're gonna put them in the oven,
Daddy,
and
I put a little
it's
bit.
okay. Once they're done, we're gonna come back and show you guys the result. Okay.
Yeah, you.
See you in a bit. Hello guys, here we are back again. As you can see, our cupcakes are ready. Me and Kayra, it took us how long to cook, Kayra?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, exactly. If you're not sure if your cupcakes are cooked or not, you can always get a cocktail stick, stick it in a cake. If it comes out clean, it will be cooked. It's ready for you to take it out. You can feel free to decorate your cupcakes the way you want it. Me and Kayra today, we're just taking a little bit of a lazy day, so we're gonna just dust with icing sugar. The cupcakes just came out the oven, so don't eat it straight away because it might burn you. No? So we need to be careful. Did you have fun cooking with Daddy today? Yes? So tomorrow we can try something else. Yeah, what do you think?
Tomorrow we can make strawberry.
We can try strawberry cupcakes, you can try blueberries, anything you want.
Or you can
Alright,
make
I hope you guys had fun
apples.
watching us. Apples, yeah. I hope you guys had fun watching us. We can't wait to be back in our kitchens and independent catering, and we hope to see you soon. Have a good day.